Yeah. Yeah. Come on. I started out one vision, one dream, homie. That ambition was embedded to my brain, homie. Yeah, like there was no way out. If I ever get a chance, I'ma make that bitch count. Oh, now I'm more than a man. Better raise my stakes, royal flush up in my hand. And if you can't handle the heat, you better get out of the kitchen. Wanna snap me in half, you better back out of the mission. Nah, going easy ain't me. Too afraid of living life, nah, that ain't my thing. I'm in a pot with a million other killers, but I got the mindset to go and be one of the illest. To ever do this shit, I murder the mic and blow it up, then I begin my quest. Tattoos, this kid must be bad news, so misunderstood, yet I'm here saying it's all good. Come on, yeah. Real quick, let me bring it to the light, homie. Growing up, I had to learn just how to fight, homie. So mad, never had shit my way. No forgiveness, man, I learned it all the hard way. Yeah, I had to halt to take a deep breath. Me versus me, a new scenario by request. Nah, don't just be good, homie, be great. Barriers are only temporary, cause they're meant to break. And repetition is the answer to my success. No more demons that be fiending, call that progress. I told my mom that I would see new places, maybe meet new faces, buy some white J's with new laces. Yeah, I'm feeling better than the old me. Used to walk in silence, but no longer will they hold me down. You know I'm coming back around, so misunderstood, yet I'm here saying it's all good. Yeah. Grand slam when I step up to the plate, homie. 10 out of 10 with the pen, long range, homie. Hey man, every day I'm living life. No one said this shit was easy, but I'm putting up a fight, nah. There ain't no vision of me quitting, man. I'd rather let you think that I did, but no, I didn't. I got the mastermind tactics, flowing like a genius in the making while I'm passing. His do or die, chose a life over suicide. No mercy given to the ones who try to kill your pride. Respect is something that is earned, so in return, you get a little something back with a lesson learned. No rule book, there ain't no blueprint to look upon. I got a canvas that I scratch, rap, and doodle on. Been doing things that you wish you could, so misunderstood, yet I'm here saying it's all good.
It's all good.